Now, in Edo State, Nigeria, a part-time student, simply referred to as Alexander Iguaiti Jr., has been shot dead on Sunday, May 16, 2026, at the University of Benin in Benin City. The shooting occurred at the Igboho campus, the main gate in Benin City. Several sources stated that the victim was simply a political science student who has completed his final semester examination when the tragedy unfolded. It was stated that he was driving a Mercedes-Benz GLK, to which he was then intercepted by unknown gunmen, and then shots were fired. They opened fire, shooting him at close range, to which he then died on the spot. As well, two other occupants of the vehicle sustained injuries and has been rushed to the hospital, with one lady who is a 400 level biochemistry student as a passerby was also struck by a stray bullet. She is as well in the hospital, and it is confirmed that she is in stable condition. Now, in response to this, the Edo State Police Command has confirmed the incident and has launched a full-scale investigation to track down the killers of Alexander Jr. Similarly as well, the University of Benin management has severely condemned the killing, but has clarified that this killing could stem from cult-related clashes outside the main campus of the university. As well, the executive governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, has as well urged every necessary security agency in the state to track down the vicious and ruthless killers of these final year students of political science and bring them to justice. He has also taken a strong stance against cultism and kidnappers in Edo State by demolishing their mansions, burning down their hideouts, and as well ensuring that they are arrested and brought to book. I am David, this one on 20 States. Follow my page to watch my videos.
They pulled over and shot this guy. Murdered him. As in the shooting was bad. You could hear